Well, good evening, Southeast Texas. A big changes coming up in our weather over the next few days. We'll go from winter to summer, which we'll talk about coming up in just a few minutes. Of course, chilly weather beginning tomorrow into the weekend, that's for sure. We're expecting highs only in the 50s. In fact, tomorrow we'll fall into the 40s by late in the day. Notice the next two mornings coming up will be in the lower to middle 30s, not tomorrow morning, but Friday and Saturday morning, and those wind chills running in the upper 20s to around 30. So bundle up coming up. In fact, temperatures tomorrow will fall into the 40s by late in the day. Thanks to an upper level trough of low pressure off to our northwest, it's moving on off to the east. That's giving the Texas Panhandle lots of snow currently as heat continues in South Texas and snow in the Panhandle. We'll show you that in just a moment. The trough moves on by, gets the cold front in here tomorrow afternoon. The main energy with this staying to our north. So right now we're not expecting severe weather with Thursday morning's cold fronts. That's good news. Have nice chilly weather over the weekend, and we'll be watching this next upper low, see what it does toward the middle portions of next week. The big weather news, though, be a big ridge of high pressure ahead of that. It's really going to have temperatures well above normal. In fact, we could see highs in the 80s coming up, as you'll see on that 10-day forecast in just a moment. Big ridge of high pressure off of Florida, kind of ridging on in to portions of the Central Plains. It's kind of a early look at early summer. A lot of times the upper air pattern will look like that. Certainly warming us up, that's for sure. Futurecast, it's going to be a warm, muggy night, that's for sure. Windy, warm, humid, temperatures in the 70s for most of the evening. Now we will fall into the 50s throughout the morning tomorrow with a chance of rain, maybe a thunderstorm or two. Cold front off to our northwest at 5 a.m. Put this into motion. Moving through Livingston at around 7. Should see frontal passage here between 8 and 9 o'clock with scattered showers, maybe a thunderstorm or two, and then the front moves out. The clouds are going to stay, the wind's going to stay, and temperatures are going to fall throughout the day here in Southeast Texas. We're at temperatures throughout the 50s throughout the day, and how about some 40s by late afternoon? So big change, those 70s we had today to the 40s by late in the day on Thursday, that's for sure. Coastal marine forecast, small craft advisory in effect. Winds southwest up to 20 knots. Could see some gusts up to 35 at times. Tonight, a few sprinkles around, otherwise windy, warm, humid. Lows in the upper 60s to around 70. That 50% coverage of showers is mainly toward daybreak. Maybe a rumble of thunder as well. Falling temperatures for your Thursday. Starts out warm. Cold front comes through, though, between 8 and 9. It's downhill from there on the temperatures, dropping into the 40s. Now your 10-day forecast starting with tomorrow. Of course, falling temperatures, going to be a cold day. We'll start out in the 60s, but notice as we head throughout the day, dropping into the 50s and eventually the 40s coming up by late afternoon. Now beyond Thursday, yeah, it's still cold, that's for sure. We'll see temperatures in the 30s for lows, and in the afternoon in the 50s. So you're going to have to bundle up, that's for sure. And there's those wind chills right there for Friday morning. And I feel like the upper 20s, so bundle up. Or Saturday, the big Mardi Gras weekend, that forecast, well, near 50 by the evening. So not a bad one at all. Just have to grab the coat, sweater, and we'll drop into the 40s after that. And then next week, yep, here comes the big warm up. A couple of sprinkles possible Monday and Tuesday for President's Day. Windy, warm, and humid. Just look at the temperature change. We'll go from 49 late tomorrow to the low 80s by the middle part of next week. Next chance of rain coming in Wednesday of next week. That'll be our next chance of showers and thunderstorms. Plenty of time to watch that. And then beyond that, temperatures still well above normal. Be sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and anything weather 24 hours a day. Visit us now on 12newsnow.com.